Carlos here with Bearable Traders, and here's my recap for today on AMD. I did not trade well today. As you can see, it did not turn out to be a good day at the open, but here's what my thought process was. So as AMD was selling off, it looked very weak, a lot of volume, looking nice, making lower lows on the way down. I recall I wanted to get into this area here, but then I said, you know, I have to wait for a pullback because it's not giving me an opportunity to get in at the moment. It finally did this pullback here. I thought it was going to be a smaller pullback than what it actually did. So I went in short. It did bounce down a little bit, but didn't really sell off after that. The next candle mid and near high kind of just popped up here. It just kind of gapped up a little bit. So I got completely out. Then once it was doing consolidating here, kind of on the 1 minute chart, the price action was just hanging out. I said, okay, maybe now it could be the pullback I was waiting for. Let me jump back in for a short. Set my stop loss near and above VWAP, and I'll talk about this in a second. But then the minute I got in, it just started making higher highs slowly, and then hits my my stop loss here at VWAP. But the reason why I don't get out is because, again, on the level 2, it's showing very bullish over here. Bearish, I'm sorry. So tons of bits over here just sitting. So I figured this is gonna pull the price down. It did, and I got lucky here. I took everything out, but here's where I did wrong. Here's why I'm upset with my trading today, because once this thing hits this moving averages, I should have stopped out. This was my stop loss that I set, so I didn't follow my rule here. So yes, I got lucky, and then my loss was less than what it could have been. Maybe this would have been, I don't know, 200 or 150 or whatever the number comes out to. I actually thought I was going to cover and break even. I don't look at my P&L. But the problem is when you do buying power, you buy more here. Then when it's high, you buy less shares. So when you add it up, it turns out fine. But again, just not happy with not executing my stop loss right away. Again, it did turn out great because I was able to get out for a lesser loss. But at the end of the day, you want to have these processes down packed in place. So once they got here again, the level 2 was showing tons of bits down here at 19. I thought it was going to crack, but the minute it just started hesitating and the bits were disappearing, I said, you know what, this can squeeze again. Let me just jump out completely. I did just that. I'm like, you know, let me count my lucky stars because this could have been worse. So I took everything out. So again, not a great trading day today, but I want to show you guys when things do not work out, right? This looks like a perfect open range breakdown. If I would have waited for the pullback a little longer to VWAP, again, you never know when the pullback is going to be this high. This could have been a great short here towards the low of the day, and that could have been a great trade. So didn't execute well, but tomorrow's another day, and we'll see what the market brings for us then. Also, join us tomorrow live on YouTube for our pre-market show as we prepare for the trading day and build our watch list. Thanks for watching.